I could bottle the smell of the wetland after the rain and make it a perfume, send it to your house. If 1 in a million stars suddenly will hit satellite, I'll pick up some pieces, they'll be on your way. In the far land across, you standing at the sea, then the wind blows the sand, and that lit a stars that guide me. If only I could find my way to the ocean, I'm already there with you. If somewhere down the line we will never get to meet, I'll always wait for you after the rain. So if I could bottle the smell of the wetland after the rain,